The Supreme Court of India recently had two brands of whiskey bottles presented in court. How did this happen? Nope, it was not a party, more like a case of trademark infringement. A case involving whiskey brands, Blender's Pride by Pernod Ricard and London Pride by JK Enterprises. The dispute focused on similarities between the trademark and the design of the bottles. Pernod Ricard argued that pride was a very important part of their brand identity, whereas JK Enterprises said that London Pride was a very distinctive name. And here's the result of this tussle. The Supreme Court instructed JK Enterprises, the makers of London Pride, to change their packaging. Also, a quick shout out to HyFi blockchain, which is the world's first blockchain which is tokenizing whiskey casks. Found this interesting? Well, for so many more interesting intellectual property law updates, follow us.